Hello homeowners and welcome to Energy Advantage. What happens to a roof when it does not have drip edge? So right down here, this is a 3-tab roof that was installed a long time ago. And right now it does not have any drip edge on this fascial right here. A drip edge is especially necessary if you live in an area with lots of rain. Basically, what ends up happening is that the water is going to wick down underneath the shingle and hit the fascia. And as you can tell, a lot of the paint has been chipping off and peeling. And what happens is that the water will seep in over here. It will also go to the nails, rusting out the nails and obviously deteriorating the paint and damaging the board with wood rot. So you really want to make sure that you have proper drip edge to make sure to avoid any type of common problems such as these.